In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your online presence by optimizing your Wix site for search engines efficiently. We'll start by opening your Wix dashboard in Google Chrome, as it's one of the most compatible browsers for managing your site smoothly. Once your dashboard is open, look for the SEO section in the main menu. Here, you'll see an option titled Get Found on Google. Click on it, and you'll be introduced to the Wix SEO Whiz. This tool is an invaluable resource that takes you step by step through the process of enhancing your website's visibility on search engines. It's user-friendly and guides you in completing crucial tasks such as adding meta tags, improving your site's performance, and suggesting keywords to boost your site's ranking. With the initial SEO setup done, the next crucial step is submitting your sitemap to Google Search Console. A sitemap is essentially a roadmap of your website that tells search engines what content is available and how to reach it. This makes it easier for Google to understand and index your site. To submit your sitemap, go to the Google Search Console and log in with your Google account. Once you're in, navigate to the Sitemaps section, which is located under the index on the sidebar. Here, you can add your sitemap by inputting its URL, which usually ends with sitemap.xml. to help Google access the full structure of your website. After submitting your sitemap, it's important to verify your site ownership within Google Search Console. Verification confirms that you have the authority to manage and make changes to the site. You can verify your site using various methods such as adding a meta tag to your site's homepage or uploading an HTML file to your server. Wix often provides a simplified method for this, facilitating a quick setup that ensures Google recognizes your site as yours. Following verification, take a moment to request indexing of your website URLs. This expedites the process of making your site visible in search results, as it prompts Google to crawl your pages anew. You do this by selecting the URL inspection tool, entering your desired URLs, and clicking on Request Indexing. It informs Google that your content is fresh and needs indexing, which is particularly useful after making updates to your site. Finally, consistently monitor the indexing status through the Google Search Console. Regular checks help you ensure that all pages of your site are indexed and performing well. It's important to frequently assess and tweak your SEO strategies, thus sustaining and enhancing your site's visibility over time. By dedicating time to digital maintenance, such as updating content and addressing any crawl errors Google might flag, you secure a robust online presence. That wraps up the essential steps to optimizing your Wix site for search engines. Remember, improving SEO is an ongoing process, so keep learning and adapting. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.